students. So in the last part we saw the properties of multiplication and division and the sums related to it. So in this video we'll start with the word problems and finding the average. So firstly let us see the word problems. Word problems बहुत easy है students. You just need to read the question and understand the question. The first question is, Sumit bought a car for rupees 6,85,385 and a refrigerator for rupees 38,965. How much did he spend all together? So now what we'll do, we'll here see he is buying a car and a refrigerator. How much money did he spend together means दोनों उसको कितने में खरीदा. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll firstly write the statements of word problems. Whenever students, you just keep in mind that whenever you solve the word problems you have to write the statements. Okay, so now what we will do, we will firstly write the statements. So the question is about Sumit, so our title will be Sumit. Heading हमेशा रहना जरूरी है, so our heading will be Sumit. So Sumit is what he is doing, he is buying a car. So price of car. What is the price of car? Rupees 6,85,385. Then price of refrigerator. Rupees 38,965. So money spent we have to find rest. So what we'll do, firstly we will write the heading: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Yes, now we'll write the numbers: 6,85,385 plus the price of refrigerator is 38,965. Now what we will do, we will add on these numbers. When we will add, we will get the answer. So let us add, students. 5 plus 5, 10. 1 will come at the carry place. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. So 5 here it will come, 1 will come here. 9 plus 3, 12 plus 1, 13. Then 8 plus 5, 13. 13 plus 1, 14. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 6 plus 1, 7. So what is our answer? 7,24,350. So we will write the answer. Sumit spent rupees 7,24,350 all together. So like this we will solve the first word problem. Second word problem. The number of children in one city is 8,48,396. The neighboring city has 7,19,289. How many more children are there in first city than the second city? Simple. इसमें हमें क्या फाइंड करना है कि फर्स्ट सिटी में सेकंड सिटी से कितने बच्चे ज़्यादा है. सो व्हाट विल डू, वी विल सबट्रैक्ट द नंबर. सबसे पहले हम लोग क्या करेंगे, यहाँ पे वी विल राइट द हेडिंग. सो व्हाट इज अवर हेडिंग? नंबर ऑफ children in city A and B. Yes, so what we will do, firstly we will write children in city A, 8,48,396. Then what we will write? Children in city B, 7,19,289. What we will do, we will subtract the numbers. So firstly we will write the headings: ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Then we will write the numbers: 8, 4, 8, 3, 9, 6 minus 719,289. Then what we'll do, we will subtract the numbers and we will get the answer, and then we will write here answer. Like this, third and fourth one is also there. Third one, a shirt and a pair of trousers cost rupees 2,250. What is the cost of 1,224 such sets? So what we will do, we will multiply here. हम लोग इस नंबर को इस नंबर से multiply करेंगे and when we will get the answer. Then fourth one, 40,960 chocolate gems are packed equally in 128 cartons. So how many chocolate gems? What we will do, we will divide. हम लोग divide करेंगे. 128 को 40,960 से divide करेंगे and we will get the answer. These two word problems you have to do by yourself. Now our next topic is finding an average. See, so what is an average? An average is a scale value that represents a group of values. See students, this is the definition of average. You have to write this definition in your notebook. So an average is a single value that represents a group of values. Average means a single value which is defining the group of values. See, here 2 muffins are there, 7 muffins, 6 muffins are there. So there are different numbers of मफिन्स इन डिफरेंट प्लेट्स. एक प्लेट में 2 मफिन है, एक प्लेट में 7 मफिन है, एक प्लेट में 6 मफिन है. व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल डिवाइड दिस मफिन सो दैट इट विल बी डिवाइडेड इक्वली इन all the 3 plates. So 5 muffins will come here, 1 muffin we will give here, then here, from here also 1 muffin will give here, from here 2 muffin we will give here. So we will get the equal number of muffins in every plate. 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. So this means it is we are finding the average and then we will distribute the muffin in all the plates. So what is the formula of average? See, this is the students, this is the formula of average. So what you will do, you will write the definition of average and below it write the formula of average. Total number of amount divided by number of data. So see here, average is find out. First 2, 7 and 6, 3 numbers were there. So 2 plus 7 plus 6 upon how many total numbers were there? 1, 2, 3 upon 3, 15 upon 3, therefore 5 is the average. So we will see the exercises. Find the average of each set of data. Yes, what we will do here, we will find the average of the data. So let's start with the first one. The first one is 12, 18, 25, 45. What we will do, we will find the average. So what was the formula of average? Here see, formula is written total number of amount upon number of data. Firstly we will copy the formula. In every sum students you have to copy the formula, okay, so that you can remember it. And total number of amount upon total number of amount upon number of data. So 12 plus 18 plus 25 plus 45 upon number of data 1, 2, 3, 4. Four date numbers are there. Now what you will do, we will make a working column in the right side of the page. Here we will make. So here we will add on the numbers 12 plus 18 plus 25 plus 45. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 8 18, 18 plus 2 20. So here 2 carry will come, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 1 4, 5 6 7 8 9 10. So here we got the answer 100. So 100 divided upon 4 we will get, क्या करेंगे हम लोग, डिवाइड कर देंगे 4 को 100 से. Then 4 2 जा 8, here 2 will come, इधर 0 आ जाएगा, 4 5 जा 20. So what is our answer? 25. So what is the average? The average is 25. Like this we have to find the average of the data. इसको भी हम लोग ऐसे ऐड करेंगे. Here 4 will come number of day, here 5 will come because 5 digits are there, 5 numbers are there, here also 5 numbers are there, so it will come like this. Here also we have to find the average find करना है. So we will do one sum, okay, right? Second one में से first sum हम लोग कर लेते हैं. 132 kg, 72 kg, 436 kg, then 1012 kg. So firstly what we will do, we will write the formula. So what is the formula? total number of amount upon number of data, right? So total number of amount is 132 plus 72 plus 436 plus 1012 upon what is the number of data? 4, right? So what we will do, we will firstly add on the numbers 132 plus 72 plus 436 plus 1012. So 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12. Here 1 carry will come. Then 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 1 11, 11 plus 3 14 plus 1 15. 4 plus 2 6, then 1. So 1652 divided by 4. What we will do, simply we will divide the numbers. So 4 4s are 16. Here 0, here the 5 will come, 4 1s are 4, here 12 will come, 4 3s are 12. So what is our answer? Average is 413 kg, because here kg unit was there, so we put 413 kg. So second sum is also like this only. The bar graph below shows a Smith saving over 4 months. What is his average amount of saving for 4 months? So what here saving is shown. Here what is the saving? 600. Here 900. Here 800 and here 700. So 600 data we got. So we will solve this sum also like we are solving the first and second one. 600 plus 900 plus 800 plus 700 upon 4, and we will get the answer. So this is the topic of average. So our chapter gets over. In the next video we will start with chapter number 3, factors and multiples. So thank you students.